The UIT Institute is all about professional development and continuing education with our integrated on-demand and instructor-led training courses. We specialized in some of the most challenging fundamentals of information technology, cloud management, and software development. Our online trainings include options in cybersecurity, Cisco, Microsoft, CompTIA, and more, providing a systematic knowledge and the interdisciplinary atmosphere necessary for each professional student to succeed in the 21st century. The advancement of technology training and business skills is our priority. This is why the UIT Institute provides each professional student with a solid selection of more than 1,500 courses online. We are committed to the technological advancement through knowledge growth, which best serves our government, privately held and publicly traded companies, including not-for-profit organizations. At UIT Institute, we strive to create self-reliant and independent thinking while building and fostering the advancement of a global community and information technology experts. We provide a solid training platform, offering a full library of high-quality courses and certifications with smart and complex material necessary for each professional student to succeed. Let's grow professionally together. Join us at www.uitinstitute.com.